This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. Yeah, in last sessions, we have seen ERP architecture in both environments, decentralized and S/4HANA embedded. And from today onwards, we start with EWM architecture. Okay, EWM architectures. Now, first we see warehouse is the highest level architecture. Warehouse. Yeah. Warehouse is the highest level architecture. How it looks like. Okay. These are the warehouses. We need to create one code for this warehouse in our system first. That is up to 4 digits. Okay, not only numerical, you can use alphanumerical. A1 to 3, you can use whatever it may be. Okay, we are going to EWM environment decentralized. And please note that concept is same in S/4HANA embedded and decentralized. Wherever changes are there, I will explain. After sessions, please go through the videos minute by minute. It's not possible to type everything. And okay, this is our warehouse. Okay, we can use any of, you can take this example or else this example, like kind of things. Say one warehouse. Okay, in the system we need to create one code. For that, 3 ways are. Okay, 3 ways. Architecture first is warehouse. Up to 4 character length. 4 character length. Alphanumerical. Alphanumerical. Okay, 3 ways to create. The first one is define warehouse number. Means we can define. Like if you remember during the plant creation and etc., there that is not our part. That's why what I did copy from some plant or etc. Okay, there also define plant is possible but not required. Our aim is to work in EWM. Define warehouse number. Next one is activate BC sets. Activate BC sets. BC sets stands for business configuration sets. Business configuration sets means predefined configure they maintain in the terms of BC sets. If we activate, automatically the process or that architecture can be copied into our system. I will show you. The third one is copy from reference warehouse. Copy from reference warehouse. Yeah, like copy from plant. If we copy from reference warehouse, all the attributes copied into our list. All 3 one by one we can check. Come to here, we are into decentralized. Go to IMG setup, SCM extended warehouse management, master data, define warehouse numbers. And please note that wherever you are defining, okay, whatever you are defining, that this is calling as a node. Here IMG documentation is there, one document. Please have a look. Say here, this define warehouse number. In this customizing activity, you create warehouse number with a correspondence description. Some, okay, you can get this one. So just have a look. Okay, see here. Next, define warehouse numbers. Say here I am creating one test warehouse now to see that, to show that first option test. Okay, say here T 410. Okay, 4th October test. For testing, sir, this is not real to show. Okay, say here October 4th. This one. Say here. I am creating it. Here also, if you want to save your address and etc., create request, you can click on it. Okay, here you can give some description. Okay, you can give some description, your name or something. Okay, just save it like this. Say here, this is the define warehouse number. Next one, second option is activate BC sets. For this, transaction code is SCPR20. SCPR20 transaction code. All the EWM relevant BC sets, okay, start with /SCWM star. Star means several 580 plus R for individual okay processes or etc. These BC sets are categorized again client independent, sorry, warehouse independent, and the second one is warehouse dependent. What means at this time you cannot able to understand what are the BC sets independent, dependent. After successfully completing the course, according to your understanding, you can get this. There is no list or something which one is the warehouse dependent, which one is the warehouse independent. At the ending of course only you can able to see this. Okay, warehouse independent, warehouse dependent. Now SCPR 20. See here, SCPR 20. Here I am saying that /SCWM star. Click here. Remove this 100. Total 580 plus are there. 587 entries are there, BC set. And each and every BC set starts with SCWM. SCWM stands for Supply Chain Warehouse Management. Okay, Supply Chain Warehouse Management. Say here, if we see after SCWM, you can see, okay, see alphabetical order. A like this thing. W, warehouse means last. Scroll down. WH. Say here, warehouse number. This button, activate BC set. Okay, here it is asking some value. Means if we give any BC set value, that is warehouse dependent. There is no certain list is there. Okay, say here, I want to create one more dummy testing purpose. Okay, one more TT41. That is okay, like TT41 for my testing. Say here, execute. Yes, execute. That activation successfully completed. Now come back, go to IMG setup, SCM extended warehouse management, master data, define warehouse number, TT41. Go to here, TT41. Say, with standard description, central warehouse system. This is the BC sets. Next one is copy from reference warehouse. In this system, reference warehouse is in this system, 001 or 0001 standard. Okay, now come to here, IMG setup, SCM extended warehouse management, cross processing settings, open it, copy warehouse number customization. Come to here, 0001 I am referring. I am going to give STPW, my warehouse, real warehouse I am copying. ST September plant warehouse. STPL our plant, right? For that warehouse. Enter it. Sorry, this one. Copy. Copy. See, it is all copying. See here. All copy. Done. Customizing entries successfully copied from warehouse number 0001 to STPW. Now again go to define warehouse numbers. Extended warehouse management, master data, define warehouse number. STPW. Say central warehouse by default is came. I am changing it EWM warehouse for plant STPL. I am giving my system. This one. Now, if we see here, we maintain a code in the system, but during definition or else copying, okay, or else activation BC set, I did not give any address for it. One code is ready, one code where it is located. Where it is located. Okay, one concept is there called in EWM terminology supply chain unit. It's a location actually. Okay, where it is located means where that is location, where it is their address. How we can provide address warehouse means in terms of supply chain unit. Here supply chain unit. Supply chain unit is a location, okay. It provides address to warehouse. It provides address to warehouse. Means separately we need to maintain supply chain unit, okay. Okay, that we need to assign for our warehouse code, supply chain unit. Okay, why this concept is directly why addresses and etc. Okay, say for example, we are starting one business. Okay, why we like this 10 years agreement lease we have taken. Okay, say for example, terms are not good. Okay, terms are not good, and I want to go move to some other place on 11th year starting. Means that address is going to be changed. Directly, if I use warehouse address and etc., okay, it's very difficult. Say some documents, 10-year documents is with same address, another 10-year document, new is other. So what they have given provision is in terms of supply chain unit. Supply chain unit code same we can use, but within the supply chain unit we change the addresses after 10 years. Okay, like kind of. And one more thing. Say here location. This word we already heard. Where? Locations. Where? What are the locations we have seen? As of now, sir. What are those?
Plant shipping point.
Plant?
Shipping
Plant and shipping point already location. The supply chain unit also a location. Say here I am giving one example. Say my company is outskirts office is there, plant, everything in same compound. Same compound. Okay. My plant also in the same compound, warehouse also same compound, like kind of. In that case, we can use plant as a supply chain unit. All are in same address. That is one case. Another case, say for example, our purchasing and sales departments are center of the city, but our warehouse is outskirts of the city. In that case, that is separate address, this is separate address. For in the second case, we go for the supply chain unit. Separate. Okay, say here. Where we maintain it. Come to EG axis. EG axis. SCM extended warehouse management, master data, maintain supply chain unit. Go to here. Say STPW, SCU. If you want to go for the individual location, select 1008. representing warehouse. Create. Here, description you can give. In the general, 3 tabs are there. General. Say here longitude, latitudes. If we maintain any address here, automatically it will come. Go to address. Title is this is a company. Supply chain unit. This one, okay, name. This is also supply chain unit, street, and etc. You can give city, postal code, country, region. Enter. If you come to here, automatically here. Now come to here, alternative. This is a location, but we need to tell to the system that this is a warehouse as well. Warehouse. Say, if I want to assign the supply chain unit to my warehouse, it should have this business attribute INV. This. We need to maintain business attribute. Role. Business attribute means roles are nothing. Say, one office is there, one building, either it's a college or it's a any government office or it's a hospital. Means if I give any role in the record, then only we can say that that is a hospital. Building is okay, one commercial building, either it's education institute or it's hospital or a supermarket, whatever. We need to generate some license for it. Like we need to have INV, this business attribute. Without maintaining that, we try to assign it first. Negative. INV, business attribute. This one. Business attribute. INV mandatory to maintain supply chain unit to warehouse. Supply chain unit to warehouse. Now, go to IMG setup. SCM extended warehouse management. Extended warehouse management. Master data. Assign warehouse numbers. Come to here. STPW. New entries. Say here, I have created STPW SCU. Supply chain unit STPW -SCU does not the business attribute warehouse. Means building is there, okay. If I am trying to assign it, that attribute role is not there. We need to maintain that. Again, go to easy access. SCM extended warehouse management. Extended warehouse management. Master data. Maintain supply chain unit. Come to here, this one 1008. Go to change. Alternative. Click on this yard role button. INV. I am using INV. Save it. Now come to here. IMG setup. SCM extended warehouse management. Extended warehouse management. Master data. Assign warehouse numbers. STPW. New entries. Now you can assign this. It will take. This is certification question. What is the business attribute for supply chain unit to assign warehouse? Okay. Now, if we see here in supply chain unit, now that is warehouse, but here either it's a goods receipt office, means any goods are there, you want to receive, we need to maintain it. For shipping, we need to maintain it. Anyway, during the transactions, we will get errors. That time again, we can come. Okay, this is the supply chain unit. Now, here first we can see one general, one okay, one rural area. cold storage is there. Okay, surrounding farmers, they are yielding some mixture, something is there. Okay, same variety. Say one farmer one dumped some, okay, some 5 tons of mirchi is 1 lot in the cold storage. Another farmer came some 10 tons of the rice he came, sorry, mirchi, same variety of mirchi in the cold storage. Then how we can understand this lot belongs to this farmer, this lot belongs to this farmer in cold storage? How generally we can use some signboards there. Farmer, village, here, okay, how many tons, what is the variety of the mirchi, like kind of things. Like my warehouse is there, that is connected one to more plants, Then how the warehouse is identify that stock belongs to which plant? We can see. I will draw one image. Say here this warehouse is connected to two plants, assume that. Now we are dealing with same products. If we see same brand, same configuration laptops are there. Like this one. But these laptops are belongs to two plants. These laptops are belongs to two plants. Then how the system can come to know that code is of say HP laptops of 1 TB of configuration. Here two plots are there in my warehouse. Some two storage areas, storage types. Okay, the one lot belongs to one plant, another lot belongs to another plant. How the system can come to know? Product code is here. Say for example 1001 HP laptop terabytes configuration. Product is here, but how system can know? Okay, say here one concept is there called party entitled to dispose. Party entitled to dispose. Read from the right side. What is it? Disposing party. Disposing party. Now, what is meant by disposing party means, say, cold storage mirchi are there, farmer one or farmer two. Who is the right to sell that product? Is the farmer or else cold storage owner? Who is the right means who can able to sell the product mirchi? Either cold storage owner or else farmer.
Hello, sir. Sorry, sir. I think we are getting an echo. I don't know whether I am only getting or others also getting.
Please check. I'm muting all now. Please check, sir. Is it okay now?
No, sir. Echo we are not getting, sir.
Sir, please reconnect. Okay. Those who are getting echo, please reconnect.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Now come to here. Come to here. Who is right to sell the product? Hak. Farmer only. Why? Farmer only. So that stock belongs to him only. Yes, pay some rent for storage, cold storage, and etc. Okay, like party entitled to dispose is nothing but disposing party. One warehouse. Now come to our example. One warehouse stock is there. Warehouse is not authorized to sell that stock. Okay, that rights are belongs to plant only. That is nothing but a stock ownership. Okay, party entitled to dispose representing stock ownership. Representing stock ownership. And in EWM, I am giving one general standard statement. In EWM, product is there, always it is associated with party entitled to dispose plus owner. In EWM, entire EWM, product always associated with party entitled to dispose plus owner. Product. One product we see in either stock reports or else documents, wherever it may be. The product not alone, that is associated with party entitled to dispose plus owner. What is the owner? Normally, one concept is there called in purchasing a consignment. One is consignment. Say we are doing some production activities, bulk items we require for daily production activities. Say for example, coal or something, okay, or else say ours is a bakery, this one. What we can do, we use some wooden pieces and etc. Bulk lots. Okay, someone can dump that stock in our premises. Whenever I require into my production, I can withdraw some. I withdraw some. Until unless I withdraw that, the ownership is along with that outside vendor only. He is keeping some stock in our premises to use and etc. To use and etc. Okay, that process is calling as consignment process. I will give one example. Go to Reliance footprint. What you can observe, Nike brand, Adidas brand, okay, some other book or also some, we can see different racks in that. If we observe, okay, the company employees wearing their logo and standing nearby. If we enter to that rack area, they can ask, what do you want, or like that. Actually, those stocks are consignment stocks. That company is keeping some stock there with some discounts or else new arrivals, whatever it may be. Whenever any customer purchase, that turn becomes internally as a Reliance footprint, they are billing to us. That is consignment actually. If go to any big electronic shops, you can see mobiles. You can see some Samsung or LG or some other Apple or something desks. There also the company employees we can see. Company employees. Those that is also consignment stock one. When we withdraw, that becomes ownership. Okay. If any consignment stock is there, then PED and owner both are different. If consignment stock is not there, PED is equal to owner. Here I can note down. That equal to owner for non-consignment stocks. This one. For non-consignment stocks, PED equal to owner. For consignment stocks, PED not equal to owner. This. Always this. What is PED within the system? One concept is there called plant vendor. What is vendor plant? Normal vendor we have seen. CRM 104 ID type and FLVN00, FLVN01 in the S4HANA embedded. What is plant vendor? Again, go to image. Say some products are there at plant 1. He required it. Purchase plant 2 required it. What it can do? It raise a order sales order for this. It raise a sales order for this one. If okay, then see here this one. This one raise a sales order. Sorry, purchase order. Sorry, purchase orders. Or SCU, we can see both are same. Stock transfer order. This one. Okay. If for the plant 2, what is this plant 1? Plant 2. Say, for example, one party is there. I want to purchase something that party. What is that party for me? Vendor. Okay. Right. Now come to here. Plant 2 needs to purchasing something from plant 1 means in terms of the plant 2, this is a vendor. But this is a renting plant. One concept is there in SAP. We create one vendor. For that vendor, we assign one plant. Means that becomes a plant vendor. We create normal vendor, but assign plant to it. That becomes a plant vendor. That we can see. Go to ERP. XK01 STPL PED. Company code is 1000. Purchase organization is 1000. Account group BE and is supporting for external number. Enter it. Company. Region we can use. Enter. Week on account 31000 I have used. A1 some cash management group. I will post today in group the documents. Okay, I have forgotten. order currency supply. Done. This one. This is a normal vendor. Okay, STPL PED is a normal vendor. Now, go to XK02, change vendor. Select purchasing data. Enter it. Extras, additional purchasing data. Here plant is there, STPL. Enter it. Now this become a plant vendor. This become a plant vendor. And please note that plant vendor relationship always 1:1. Means one vendor you can, for one vendor you can assign only one plant. One plant can be associated with only one vendor. 1:1. Please note. Now this is a plant vendor in ERP. This should be become party entitled to dispose in EWM. We need to shift it. We need to move it, distribute it. CFM1 model name you can see. PED some application I'm using. Vendor is material independent data. Come to here vendor. STPL-PED. Here select one. Execute it. Generate integration model. Now we activate CFM2. Done. That is more. Now come to EWM. Go to extended warehouse management, master data, BP. STPL PED. Double click on it. Go to identification. Scroll down. This is vendor. This is vendor now. But we need to tell to the system that this is plant vendor in EWM as well. ERP I have given assignment, but this came as normal vendor only. Say one 10th class student is, say Ramu. He is 10th class student, that is ID type. But he is a school people leader as well. Means we need to give additional identification for additional identification. Like here we can give another ID type. Say here, click on change. That is additional ID is CRM011. That is giving plant R3 plant. What is our R3 plant? STPL. In which system that is there? This system. Say here. We are providing additional identification. Save it. Done. Now we assign this to our warehouse. Stock points. Okay. Come to here. Master data. Assign warehouse numbers. Here, party entitled to dispose is default. Default means optional. Say for example, one plant only connect your warehouse, you can maintain here party entitled to dispose. Otherwise, keep it blank. While we are extending the materials to warehouse, this field is mandatory. In further sessions, we can see. Okay. In our case, we are going with only one. So STPL PED. Now, again, come to cold storage. Say cold storage means some administration staff, some loading workers, unloading workers, some machineries, cranes, and etc. Who will pay the salaries to them? Either cold storage owner or else farmers. Cold storage owner as well. Now, one plant is there. The plant is having one warehouse. The plant is only paying the salaries for warehouse workers, electricity bills, fuel charges, and everything. In that case, we can use this plant vendor as a custodian as well. Custodian means The responsibility of that premises, custody. If that e third party and etc. just create simple vendor BP and create. Okay. And default shift means say to whom always we need to ship default always. One production plant is there, they want to sell their products, not from the production plant. No one can sell. They maintain some distribution centers. From there they can sell. In that case, for that need to create one distribution center, also a plant, create one plant customer and assign. But in our case, we don't have that. 3PLs we can just leave it. In 3PL, this is useful. Okay, leave it. Now come to this image. I want to add some more flavor. Say for example, laptop code. One 1001. Okay, say this one code. Laptop code is 1001 here. Now here product, how it is saving in this one. One 1001 laptop and PED is, say for example, plant 1 is there, PL1, assume that PL1 hyphen PED owner PL1 hyphen PED. This can be stored like this, say for this one. If this belongs to this one. If this belongs to this one. Coming to the second one. One 1001 laptop say here, these three will come. Not a single product you cannot see. Single product you cannot see. Along with PED owner. Okay, and in transactions, etc. Again, I will show. Okay. This is about the assigned warehouse numbers. Now, say here, changing the warehouse assignment while transactional data exists would result in fact that this data can no longer be selected proceed. The change can lead to subsequent errors proceed. Discrepancy will happen, changing. That's why supply chain unit they have given outside, and their same supply chain unit we can use here. We cannot change here. We cannot change here. Their address only change after 10 years. Lease will happen. Okay. So, next one. Define warehouse number control. Come to here. STPW. Here, some control parameters at warehouse level. Say one important thing today. Okay. Weight unit it is showing as kg. Say one product is there. What is the weight unit? Either kg or else pound or else some other, not liters. Liter is not weighting a unit. Okay. Okay, this one. Value unit, meter cube or centimeter cube or etc. Now under this is there, here kg is there by default. Say products are in pounds. How we can know? In Material Master, if you remember, Material Master changes I have given alternate unit of measurement, right? One cotton box is equal to 10 inches, one pallet is equal to 100, kind of things. If we have alternate unit of measurement, automatically system can convert that. Time unit, we can use hours, we can use days, we can use years, minutes, seconds. Why this is required means, say for example, I have started some work. When it is completed, how much time it has taken, and etc. Time units. length unit. Say one storage bin is there, or product size is there, length. What is the length of this? Factory calendar. Say somebody change. Okay. Factory calendar. Say here, factory calendar means that describes what is the working days, holidays, kind of things. One plant is there. The plant works 5 days only week, but warehouse is there. 7 days it will work. In that case, both are different calendars. Next one, this currency. Say here in warehouse we deal with only quantities. Then why currency means, say after completing the physical inventory, one process is there. I want to move changes to ERP. That how much value of this one, what you are authorized 1 lakh amount of differences or 2 lakh amount of differences control through this currency. Okay. These are only the important points at this point of time. Okay, just to say. Okay, sir. Very basic we have discussed. What is the warehouse, how we provide adverse effects for stock ownership. Slowly we enter into deep. Okay, just go through the video, sir, minute by minute. Everything is not possible to write in the notepad. Okay, make your own language, own notes. That is for best preparation method. My delivery is separate, your delivery is separate. Your own language, please make your notes. Okay. Okay, sir. Any doubts regarding today's session? Tomorrow we discuss further. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Bye.